Life Organics family, it's Danny here, and today I'm going to show you a great stretch you can do, especially if you sit all day. So this is going to help open up the upper back and relieve some upper back tension and maybe even neck pain. You're going to grab your chair, and this one I'm going to use a nice back of the chair. If you don't have that, I'll talk you through how to just use your legs. But how we're going to help open up the upper back is we're actually going to do this. You're going to place your left hand on the outside of your right thigh. Sit nice and tall, feet are grounded. From here, you're going to use your right hand to reach back behind you, and if you have a back of your chair, grab it. You're going to use that as leverage. If not, just think about opening up and twisting. From here, if you have the back of your chair, you're going to grab onto it, and you're just actually going to gently encourage you to rotate a little bit further. And you should feel a nice stretch in your sides and your upper back. And just sit here and breathe through your stomach, not through your upper shoulders, for 30 to 60 seconds. Switch sides, other side here. I'll show you a side angle too. So like so, sit nice and tall, left hand on the outside. I'm gonna rotate towards my back of my chair, grab, and then just extend a little bit more. If you have a chest tight, or a tight chest, you'll feel that as well. And then just switch sides. I love to this one, especially if I'm sitting all day, because it gets me a nice good posture and helps open up that tight upper back. Hold this one for 30 to 60 seconds or until you find some relief. And as always, if you have questions, drop them below.